Alright, so let's try a bigger number, which is 56 times 7. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 42. Actually, let's try a different color. 7 times 6 is 40. Let's try a very different type. 2. Okay? So again, that ones place goes into the ones place, and we carry over the 4. Alright? So next number is 7 times 5 is 30. Let's try to peek. 35. Now remember, we still have this 4 here. So 35 plus 4. Okay? 35 plus 4 equals 39. So then we bring that over. Now let's try this expanded way. 56 times 7. Okay? So then let's start with red. 7 times 6 is 42. Okay? 7 times 6 equals 42. Now, this next number, 7 times 5, is not actually 7 times 5. It is 7 times 50. So 7 times 5 is 35, so 7 times 50 is 350. So we're writing 350. My final answer, 293. Same answer. Okay? So let's move into double digits. Say I have 236. Wait, let's start with 23 times 45. Small. Let's go small. So the first thing I do is 5 times 3, 5 times 2. 5 times 3, let's try a different color for this. 15. And 5 times 2 is green. 10. Okay? So, where I put my ones place for 5 times 3 is here. And I carry over that 1 to here. Now 5 times 2 is 10. But don't forget, I have that extra 1. So now this equals 1, 1. So 11. So now we're looking at 4 times 3. So remember, because this is in the tens place, my answer is going to start in the tens place. So like I said, a lot of people like to put X or 0 or completely block it out. Or leave it blank. It doesn't matter. So 4 times 3, 4 times 2. Alright, so 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 2 is 8. Let's redo that in color. So let's do 4 times 3 is brown, violet, and 4 times 2 is, let's do, I already did light green, so let's do dark green, 8. Alright, so again, this one, the 2, we bring down here, and we carry over the 1. I'm just going to replace that red one with the brown one now. Okay? So then 4 times 2 is 8. But remember, we have that plus 1 equals 9. So 9. Then we're just add it up. 5 plus nothing is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. Alright, so let's do that expanded form. 23 times 45. Okay, so this is 5 times 3. 5 times 2. But it's not 5 times 2. It's 5 times 20. Because remember, this is the tens place. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. So, I'm sorry, 5 times 20 is 100. So let's write that out. 15, 100. So far I have 5, 1, 1 from this part right here. Now we got to do the 4 times 3, 4 times 2 part. But remember, this is the tens place, so it's not 4 times 3. It's 40 times 3. And then 40 times 20. Equals. Alright, so let's try green. 40 times 3 is 120. So let's add that in. 120. Now 40 times 20, so the trick for that one is don't look at the zeros, look at it. 4 times 2 is 8. And how many zeros? 1, 2. So 800. Now let's add that up. 5 and nothing, 1 and 2, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, same answer, just different method of doing it.